books of all the 4 libraries like Guwahati, Tuljapur and Mumbai campus. You can borrow books from Hyderabad and Tuljapur campus also. We arrange on interlibrary loan basis and you can return it within that stipulated time period. So if you want to search by author, you can click on author's initial and then type. Now here, if you are searching for any counseling book, you type the keyword like this. This list you will get. We have 428 books together, and you can click if you want to see this particular book, marriage and family counseling. You click on this. This is a call number and this is a barcode number. For locating the book, you need to write down call number, curtain number and the barcode number all together. Okay. So this is 173. It comes under first floor. Like we have bifurcated floor wise. Okay. Till 363, it is in the first floor. So like 301, 200, 300 till 363. It is all books are in the first floor. After 363, all books are available in the second floor. And third floor, we have journals and reference books. Bound volume of journals are available in the third floor. And now, how to look for the e-database. In the home page itself, you will get e-books and all. These are the publisher's name, e-books published by. You can click on it and this title list you will get the title list also. This is Oxford Scholarship Online Books. You can click here, like the parent, this. When you click it, you will get it in the Acrobat form, first till last page. Here I don't have internet facility, so it will not take further that particular page. So this is how you can go for ebooks also.
This we can do from home.
Yeah. You might be allotted this email ID password. You can log in your laptop and your devices so that you can see it at your home also. And these are the online journals like EPW and all. It will not take further this thing because there is no internet on it. Okay, JSTOR, online Cambridge journals and all. So this is regarding e-books and e-thesis, e-resources. Apart from this, under e-resources, we have e-thesis also. You can click here and get soft copy of dissertation submitted by students in e-form. So this is the one. You can click on the title. You can search by author's name also. You will get it in a PDF form from first page till last page. You can download it, you can read it from your devices. Instead of getting your time wasted in searching the hard copies.
So we can save it after downloading?
Yes, you can save it at your laptop, computer. You will get question papers also in this. This is our institutional repository. It's called as DSpace. So it is available in the main library page itself. When you click here, you click on e-thesis. So when you click on e-thesis, you will get this page, DSpace. Under that we have thesis, we have faculty publication reports, and this is the Center for Lifelong Learning. I think this is your center. You can check books. Hello, this library. हाँ. मी आता ओरिएंटेशन देते, थोड़ा वेळाने करू का? ठीक आहे नंतर कर. हां बाय. So this is
Okay. Sure.
This is compendium of your course. You can read course compendium also from here.
She'll explain. No, it's not done. It's happening again.
Okay. It is you able to get it how it is. So once you start using, you will get an idea. Apart from this, you use our guide also, library guide. From there you will able to know how it is. So if you have any difficulty in accessing any query, you can ask me right now, because I am going to take you to first and second floor where stack room for books is there. In floor wise attendance will be available. If you have any difficulty, you approach us in the counter and attendant will be there to help you. 361 counseling for social work and all, that is 361 number, and this is 173, that is marriage and family counseling. All books related to counseling are available in the first floor. So I will take you there now. You can see how it is. It is open access. In all rack there will be bay guides pasted, so which book is available in which rack, it is mentioned over there. So if you need any further this thing, or it is okay.
So if we want a book, we have to go and find it.
Yes,
On the rack.
it is if you get it how to search it, then you can do by yourself instead of waiting for attendant and searching it. It is open access, it is very easy also.
Only for these books we have got.
And then we have to get the book here and get it issued.
Yes, you have to bring it down from here, you can get it issued. And for borrowing books, Institute I-Card is compulsory. Without I-Card, we are not issuing any books.
We have a library card as well as an institute.
No library card. No card will be issued from our side. It is only your enrollment number. On that, you will get email that it is activated, and then you can come and borrow. Your main institute I-Card, which is given by academic people, that is used for issuing and borrowing of books.
So what is this? Then what's this form?
This
is for
form, on the basis of this form, your details will be activated in our system.
what? Okay, just to verify.
I'll
both-
show you.
both the sides, I think.
Your photo will be coming, and your details like your address and all, your phone number. In case if you late return a particular book, we will charge you 1 rupee for general shelf book, 1 rupee per day, and from this reserve shelf 2 rupees per day.
Okay.
So like suppose this is your number, okay, this is this thing. So here your photo will be appearing like this and all your details, and no students will be allowed to borrow books on the friend's I-Card, because from here we can catch out if you are borrowing on your friend's identity card and all. So it is not allowed. You have to take your own card for borrowing. Now here I'll show you how to renew a particular book from your own account. Suppose so this will show in my account that I have borrowed this book. Okay, if suppose it is there in my name and I want to renew it again, so you go here on the home page and say login to my pay account, and the number which will be given to you, that is M2016 and CL001. What will be the number which is given? You write down that on the login page, select here, say renew the selected. So this particular book will be renewed for next 15 days. So this way you can renew twice from your side. Okay, now see here. Here automatically the date will change from here. So twice you can renew by your side, and first fresh issue I will do. So total 45 days you can keep a particular book.
At a time we can take 4 books.
Yes, at a time, and you can return it back at a time itself. If you feel like you don't want to read this, then you can return tomorrow again. On the date, same day also you can return.
So we can read on one book and we can take another book. That place.
But you can have in total 4 books.
Only 4, not more than 4. No, only those books which are available in e-form, that will be available in the home page. Otherwise all are in the hard copy. So like rare books, it is not available. If it is not available in e-form, then you have to come here and refer. That is from here.
It's in these pages.
It's in the web page itself. In the catalog, you will get the whole list. No other separate list.
That's what she said. Floor number 1 is the 360, and that will get divided on each and every floor.
This is a list. Other than that, no other list.
So you get to know which floor is which book, and you can come here also and you can take it.
So I'll take you to first floor now.